Okay, let me help you out with this Tuesday problem. This is going to be in equal groups. So you're going to use equal groups method, also drawing a picture. That's why you guys get whiteboards when you do iReady and stuff, so that you can draw pictures and work stuff out. Carla bought 42 plants, okay? She planted them in 7 even rows. There's your cue that it's an equal groups problem. Even rows, that means there's going to be the same amount of plants in each row. How many were in each row? I'm just going to do 7 circles. You kind of want to make them big enough that you're not having to try to squeeze little X's inside of each circle. So that's another thing that kids need to learn. You got to big enough circles that you can draw in. If you start doing stuff like this, then you're like, wait, what? You can't even fit tomatoes in there. Okay, so the circles are my 7 rows. How many are going to be in each row? This is where you kind of need to count out loud quietly to yourself. You need to pass out 42 tomato plants to each one of your rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. And I make big enough marks if I need to come back and make a cross to double check whether I put 42 in there. All right, so I passed out the 42 tomato plants to each one of my 7 rows. Each circle is called a row in this problem. It can be people, friends, classrooms, whatever. How many are in each row? And this is where you could go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like there's 6. Final answer, 6. Now some of you may not need to draw a picture. You see 42. Remember, the division sign means shared among. 42 tomatoes shared among 7 rows, and then you just make a division problem like that. Now, if you don't know division, that's fine, but you should know your multiplication facts. 6 times 7 equals 42. Do you see how multiplication is just the inverse of division? 6 times 7 equals 42. 42, 6, and 7 are called a fact family. Some kids get to the point where they just say 42 and 7, and they automatically are thinking 6. Because they know the multiplication tables well enough that they know, they're like, oh, it's probably a 6. Just because they know their fact families so well. 42, 7, and 6 are a fact family. Like 20, 4, and 5 are, because 4 times 5 is 20. So we got 3 different strategies that you could be looking at. Fact families. Oh, we also have the inverse strategy, because we know that multiplication is the inverse of division. Look at all those strategies we got going on there. Fact families, equal groups, drawing a picture, inverse. So those are all the strategies that you can think about when you're having to kind of share something among rows or classrooms or stuff like that.